Pingjun here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through registering for your very own domain name or your website name. And the place where you want to go to do this is at namecheap.com. Now I would advise that you follow me step by step, so if needed you can pause this video whenever needed so that you can follow exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so go ahead and go to namecheap.com. And depending on when you're watching this video, this website could look a little different because they're always changing their look and feel of the site. So if it looks different, don't worry. Basically, you're looking for this box where it says find your new domain name. So this is the part where you want to enter your website name to see if it's available or not. Now, one of the things that I would recommend is that there's two ways to do this. You can, if you don't know what your niche is, one of the things which you can do is to register your name.com, because this is something you'll never go wrong. 5 years or 10 years down the road, you will wish that you actually owned your name.com when the .coms are like land. Once it's snapped up by someone else, you'll never be able to get it ever again. So for the purpose of this weekend, when you're coming to the seminar, you want to register your name.com. Now, if you are very sure that you don't want to brand yourself, another way to do it would be to put in your niche name. So for example, if I was into fitness, I could put fitnesstips.com, for example. Right? If I know that my niche is fitness and you don't want to brand yourself, you could use an example like this. Or if you're into gaming, you put gamingstrategy.com, or if you want a mixture of both, you could put in your name with the niche title, right? So in this case here, pingjungaming.com. Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to go ahead with Pingjun Gaming to illustrate this example. And then go ahead and click on search. Now, I don't want you to spend too much time on this process thinking about your domain name. That is not the purpose here. Just go ahead with your name.com, .net, .org if you don't know what niche you want to go into. Okay, so at the very least, I would suggest either a .com, .net, or .org. I wouldn't recommend any of the rest. Okay, so search for a website name where you can at least get a .com, .net, or .org. Okay, so I would recommend a .com if it's available. Again, don't spend too much time on this. It's not really that important. What you want to do is, if it's available, you'll see an icon over here where you can actually click on add to cart. So in this example, you see that my cart has got pingjungaming.com. And to proceed, click on view cart. Again, if you want to do this together with me, you might want to pause the video so that we can do this together. Okay. Now, this is the part where they try to sell you more stuff. You don't have to take any of them. In fact, don't take any of them. Just go ahead and take the basic domain name, which will cost you $10.69. And this thing is free, so that's fine. And then click on confirm order. Okay, so you don't have to click on auto renew. You don't have to click on anything else. Just leave it as it is and click on confirm order. Okay, so that will be at $10.87, depending again when you're watching this video. Sometimes it goes plus minus $1, but it's about 10 US dollars. Okay, now since I already have an account, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my username over here and password. For you, you might want to fill in this form over here because if you don't have a Namecheap account. Okay, so go ahead and do that right now. I'm just going to put in my details over here. All right, and I'm going to sign in. All right, so once you fill up the form, it's going to look like this. Okay, again, you can pause the video if you want to be on track together with me. All right, so one of the things you'll notice is I'm just going to pay with my funds because I've got money in my account. So click on checkout. All right. So right now they are processing my order. You don't have to click on anything. Again, your payment method might be slightly different. You'll need to pay with your credit card. But because I already have an existing account with Namecheap, they are the ones that host all of my 500 plus domain names. So that's why I didn't have to key in any details because I already have an account with them. Alright, so and that's pretty much it. It'll say here, it gives you your purchase summary. Alright, and voila, you have your very own website name registered with Namecheap.